When you install IDM software on your Windows 10 computer, the extension is added automatically to the Chrome browser. However, sometimes IDM fails to install its required extension in Google Chrome. It might happen due to incompatibility issues, or sometimes Chrome blocks IDM extension due to policy issues. In this video, we'll manually add IDM's missing extension to Google Chrome. First, open Internet Download Manager window. Go to Downloads, Options, and make sure Google Chrome and Use Advanced Browser Integration options are enabled. Now, open Google Chrome's Extensions page. Then, open the IDM installation folder. Look for this .crx file. Drag and drop the file on Google Chrome's Extensions page. It adds the missing IDM extension module to Chrome. You should now be able to download anything using IDM. If the first method doesn't work, you can install the IDM integration module from Chrome Web Store. To do so, open the following link from the video description below. It'll install the required IDM integration module in Google Chrome to integrate IDM with Chrome. To configure it properly, you can also allow it to work in incognito mode. To check if the IDM extension is working properly or not, play any video on YouTube. If the Download this video tab appears on top of the video, then the IDM extension is added successfully.